everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to change cover photo on Facebook. To do that, you need to open the Facebook application first and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you have logged in into the account, what you need to do is tap on the profile of yours. Tap on the profile picture. You can see the current setting or the current cover photo on Facebook. For you to change it, all you have to do is tap on that camera icon on the top. Then you need to tap on upload photo. Tap that. This will direct you to the gallery section on your phone, and from there you can choose the picture that you want to upload it as your cover. Once you tap that, you will be able to drag to adjust to the cover. You can see you can move upward, downward, or you can either zoom in or zoom out as well. Once that is done, you can tap on save on the top right. This will change your cover photo on Facebook right away. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.